Craving crispy, golden perfection without the greasy aftermath or a mountain of dishes? The WHALL Air Fryer might just be your new kitchen soulmate. This air fryer isn't a one-trick pony. It boasts a whopping 17 cooking functions, transforming your air fryer game from French Fry Friday to a culinary exploration. Imagine perfectly roasted vegetables, juicy steaks, and even reheated leftovers that taste like they just came out of the oven, all achieved with minimal oil and effortless cleanup. Intrigued? Keep reading to discover why the WHALL Air Fryer could be the healthy and convenient kitchen upgrade you've been dreaming of. A multifunctional marvel, beyond just fries, while air frying takes center stage, the WHALL Air Fryer offers a wider range of functionalities compared to some basic models. Here's a breakdown of its capabilities. 12 preset cooking functions. Simplify meal prep with dedicated settings for fries, bread, vegetables, steak, drumsticks, fish, shrimp, and even thawing. 5 assist cooking functions. Take control with air fry, bake, keep warm, reheat, and a DIY setting that allows you to customize temperature and time for any recipe. Easy-to-use controls, control knobs, and a digital LED screen make setting time and temperature a breeze. Fast, efficient cooking with reduced oil. The WHALL Air Fryer boasts a powerful heating element and fan that drives air circulation from top to bottom. This translates to fast preheating. No more waiting for your air fryer to come to temperature. It's ready to cook almost instantly. Frozen to golden brown. Effortlessly cook frozen foods to crispy perfection without thawing. Reduced oil usage. Enjoy healthier versions of your favorite fried foods with up to 85% less fat compared to traditional deep frying. Design considerations, safety, convenience, and style. The WHALL Air Fryer prioritizes safety and user-friendliness. Safety features: built-in overheat protection, automatic shut-off, and circuit overload protection ensure peace of mind while cooking. Cleaning made easy. The detachable basket and non-stick pan are dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup. Plus, the memory function allows you to remove the basket and resume cooking without restarting the timer. Stylish and stable. The stainless steel design is sleek and modern, while the non-slip feet ensures stability during operation. The square basket offers a larger footprint than some round designs, potentially providing more cooking flexibility. Warranty and support. WHALL offers a 12-month warranty and promises excellent customer service. Their team is available to answer any questions you might have about the air fryer. A few points to consider. While the WHALL Air Fryer offers a plethora of features, here are some things to keep in mind. Learning curve for new users. With various functionalities, there might be a slight learning curve for those unfamiliar with air fryers. Capacity might not suit large families. The 6.2 quart capacity might not be sufficient for cooking large batches of food for big families. Limited information available. Finding detailed reviews and independent testing results on this specific model might be challenging. The final verdict: a feature-rich option for home cooks. The WHALL Air Fryer is a compelling option for those seeking a versatile air fryer with user-friendly features and a focus on safety. Its multiple cooking functions, fast preheating, and dishwasher-safe parts make it a convenient choice for busy home cooks. However, the learning curve for new users and potentially smaller capacity compared to some competitors might be drawbacks for some. Ultimately, if you're looking for a feature-rich air fryer that can handle a variety of cooking tasks and prioritize user-friendliness, the WHALL Air Fryer is a strong contender. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.